Kanang banjit ikirang bat kitaya lakai nadu kikana hadu kisamla giban mi khamat ekjela Meghalaya hakalumpung jongka National Games keban salong hakasnam arajar arpawar nadu kenikasnam kejela jongi kalasdang penlong biang ya ke Meghalaya Games ya kabala penlong hakanik sitayau lunter kata nadu kakat sautarik hadu ke arpawai tarik mentau benar rempang arajar arpaw hakanik kalumpung palat katsan spa ngut kirang bat kitaya lakai nakal kejala kilawan banyak shimbenta. Hagane kesita yau lenter, si hajar sanspa kat laingut kirang bat kitaya lekai, nakalang ki district jong kejala, kentup naduk ki kena bat kisamla, kile shimbenta shirhem hakikat sautali kijat jingi lekai, kibala penlong hakalang kijaka hakane kenong ba shilong. Nakini baro, kendas pa saupo prangut kide kishin rang bat sans pa hendre posan ngut kikenthei kibre shimbenta hakajiya ko lekai kilan met bapher kum kesiat khnam set suloi kaya kop jingi karansa nekura ka badminton basketball billiards bat snooker judo karate table tennis taekwondo tennis bat wushu Kijaka ke bala penlong ye kini kijingi lek kai kilong ha St Anthony School Stadium, ha JN Stadium Polo, JN Indoor Stadium Polo, UTS Indoor Stadium, ha Shillong Club, North Mars Sports and Cultural Club, Laban Sports Club, Indoor Stadium, Assam Regimental Centre, bat ha Krinolin Swimming Pool Shillong.
I promise that we shall take part in this Meghalaya Games 2019-20, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern by them, committing ourselves to sports in the true spirits of sportsmanship for the glory of sports and honor of our nation.
So I think this is a very important event. This is a platform through which our youngsters, our youth can actually show their skills, their talent. It also is a platform through which we can promote and create the excitement for the youth to really participate in the sports. And I think it helps the organizing committees, the different state organizations to also get their act together. So I think this is a really culmination of all the different kind of sports activities taking place in different districts and different organizations, ultimately happening under one banner. So I take this opportunity to congratulate the MSOA for really organizing this very well. This was not easy at all, especially when it's done after such a long gap of 16 years. And also there are a lot of constraints when you have a program like this. Yet, in spite of all the constraints and challenges, I think it has started off very well, and I'm sure this program will and this event will be a success. And I take this opportunity to wish all the athletes, some of them are behind me, I wish all the athletes the very best, and I always tell them that winning and losing is a part of it, but you have to be positive in sports and be positive in life.
Hakane kalumpung ye lekai la sakhi ye kijing shimbenta shirhem ki khna bat ki samla kan thei bat chinrang ha kijing lekai bapher bat la pen kut no ya kan ni kijing lekai ha kasni tho ding balala da kijing lang kabala long Halaban Sports Club Indoor Stadium Hakane kalumpung ki rang bat ki thei lekai ki bala khampau ki dei hi ki bana ki district East Khasi Hills Hendre ki la don bonru ki rang bat ki thei lekai ki bana ki thai nongkandong ki bala pen pau shisha ya ka sap lekai ba ki jing shampang jongki da ka jing la jongki ban job ye ki tak makser yakom kane kalumpung khatdu e lapan long hagasnam arachar saw bat menta hadin khan riusnam la yo ban pen long biang Let's say that the jingla ban penlong yakum kene kalumpung nakapor sakapor gajala Meghalaya kan la shisha ban pinmi ikiklori lekai hakijing lekai bapher
The government took a decision to hold the Meghalaya Games in coordination with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, and I'm very happy that we are actually conducting the games again after a gap of 16 years. You know, Meghalaya is a sports-loving state. Of course, we chose 14 sports disciplines along with the Meghalaya State Olympic Association But this also has provided a platform to showcase the talent and skill of our sportsmen and women.
Pipet kau ikan ka nuksan ka basketball ki bajop ki dena West Hills. Ni pet ka swimming ru ki kena ki ba tibet ki wan nawar. Ka bomot ka talan jongi ka sap jongi ka bon ba syakitain nong gedong. Te ka syong kumno ba sarkar kan lara ka baiting ka ya ka sport kamdai ka bale no ai.
Kumba ka jing tmuhi halo ka jing penlong ya ka ni ka Meghalaya Games menta ka snam arajar arpo kalong ban penmi ya ki rang bat ki theye le kai ki ban mi khmat ya ka jela Meghalaya ha ka Lampung National Games arajar arpo ar Henry hado kat no lengba ka ni ka Lampung lala ban penmi ya kita ki klore le kai bat hado kat no ka jela Meghalaya kalalong ka bala kre ban penlong ya ka ni ka National Games Tonginya sam nagatana Sports and Youth Affairs ke jela bat kumjuru na ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association kabapenya ya ke ni ke Meghalaya Games ayu kidan ban ong.
Pisoto ba ha ka National Games ngi hap pelong ki disiplin hadu lai pun riu tuli. Ngidang lo mutaksi tang khatsal. Tengi ngi krem sarkar ba kumno ngin pelong ya baro kita ki weru. Hakini ki benai banwan. Nomor kidan ki association kidang krek kham ta kidon ki association kidang per krek iladi kidon ki wei prikin kita ki batam arpautam ki ba 4 dap ketiar dan pelong ka championship ka palong kung kita ki kidon te kani kalong kejing sedang.
The Meghalaya Games is a platform to showcase the talent of our young sportsmen and women, and who knows, amongst them we may have future stars who will put Meghalaya in the sports map of India. We may have a Mary Kom here from Meghalaya. As I was walking from venue to watch the games, I saw there was a lot of talent in contact sports. As I think you've viewed that today, in the closing ceremony. We are hoping that, we will be conducting this game every 2 years, because we are, heading towards actually conducting the mega event, the National Games. With regard to the creation of sports infrastructure for the National Games, of course, the government is very committed, and we will do what we can, and I'm sure we will come out successfully.
Nashim kumni lara sarkar ka pulut kamde ke jingla oi niyo lara ki khna ki wan ha ka kam kilan men nganget ki perlok jukiru ki ki ba halong ka ju hukum but ha ki lech pash ki nong ki tau kiru ki kwa banwara ka discipline po shnong number you have to have discipline to be a sports person te nga so kani kali but phimla ban thau dak pisa ya ka imlang salang hapa pio ki nong shnong ki ba don ka discipline ha ka imlang salang katahi ka dikawai ka jingmutoi ka ri bu jai ri ngi haple ke National Games ngi haple ke National Championship joki federation paper idon ka pisa idon ka mam ka jinglut ka lai ka wan so ban aku blai ka government bakala kala notify ka sports policy ka gazette bat hasan ngin pelong ka jingkran kumno ban peniat pentrekam ka policy te rengkat begini nga so ngidon ka jingkerman te ban job medal ha ka National Games tangba ka sarkar ka dai ban betangi ka ni jingkersan ngimla ban long Meghalaya Games sementara dah hadin kandan ka gap ka jing kenja ta kamlong kai ka dai ban long man kapor telara kadon kani kamut gidi kena kiyo ban khmi lentiam sakawai ka banwan ban ra yeladi ha ka sports te ngidap ka jikerban bahadu jan khat praspa ngut ki samla contation rang ki wan sakani ka lumpang hila kai Meghalaya
Because the birds minus 30 degrees, I guess